Hey guys, Kenny from J&K Equipment. This is the Huayee SHY20. It's all new for this year. This is built to compete with the more commercial, bigger brand names. It's got a Kubota D902 engine, a variable displacement piston pump, so you're able to do multiple functions all at once, have good auxiliary flow. Has actual 2-speed motors, an adjustable chassis. And it's unlike some of the cheaper ones. These actually are planetary drives. Nice thick rubber floor mat. Really nice seat. Any questions? Leave a comment or contact us at J&K Equipment. Thank you.